How are ya? Or should I say, how high are ya? But anyways, either way, what we're doing today is a 420 friendly look since it's 420. And you know, it's just gonna be a fun green look, you know? Green. I'm gonna bust out my Revolution palette and in coordination with my Mitchell palette. I use this so much. I don't know. It's just like a really pretty palette for like colorful looks. But anyways, to refresh your memory, this is what that palette looks like. Stunning. And I kind of got something in mind, but you know me. We just, we do what we do around here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go in with Cool. If you could see, they used to have little leaves on them. I mean, I don't know. You can kind of still see them. I guess you really can. They're cute. It's a very cute palette. This is one of my favorite Revolution ones. I'm gonna go into Cool and start a little bit of a crease here. Just a little bit of a crease because I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner early in the game because I feel like I do better eye looks that way. Sorry if you can hear my Jack Skellington. He's kind of loud. Let me know if that bothers you. But anyways, I did rearrange my room again, so that's a thing. If you guys want a tour, I'll give you one, but it's basically the same thing and rearranged in a different way. You only have so many things you can do in a small room. I wouldn't say it's real. I mean, I don't know. For what I'm using it for, it's a perfect size room. If it was a bedroom, it would be kind of a small room. But for a beauty room, I don't need anything bigger than this. Unless I become like a billionaire, you know? Then I'll go ahead and take like a whole floor of a freaking building. Until we rich, we just gonna have to wait. So I think what I'm gonna take for an eyeliner is the Fenty Beauty. I think they were the neons, and this is the green one. So I'm gonna take that. Let me see how I can do this where you can see it. Let me get my mirror higher. Let me get this higher up. So you can kind of see that crease built, and that's a really nice crease color. So I'm gonna put this on. I know this is probably not everybody's way of doing it, but this is the way I do it. I don't know about that. Kind of looks okay, I guess, but I was gonna put on tape and I forgot, but I don't need the tape. I'm perfectly capable of doing this thing on my own, but it won't look as pretty. The wing looks a little thick, and I'm not mad at it. Are you mad at it? That's fine. It's fine. See, that one looks a little bit better. You always have one eye that's like a lot better than the other, and then you just gotta kind of roll with it, right? This is a 420 friendly look, and also, doesn't that look springy? Just looks like new foliage growing on the trees, which I don't know why isn't happening by now. I have not seen no leaves growing on the trees. What's going on? Is it global warming? Am I missing something? Does it usually not grow? I always thought, I'm gonna sneeze. I always thought that the leaves would have been out by now. Woo! Did that mess up my eyes? A little bit right here. Oh God, why? Woo! Oh God, and it transferred up to here. Oh well, that's fine. We'll fix it. So let's dry that a little bit. And basically I already have all my base on. I have the, I'll show you what I have on. Sorry that I sneezed. I have the Born to Glow by NYX, the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, yeah, in Fair Light, and I really like this combo so far. And I have the 16-hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. on for the base, and oh, and Browy Wowie for my brows, and Brow Endowed. So that's what I got. I think it's dry mostly. Okay, let's go back into the palette. Let's use, what should we use? Let's use Leaf. And take kind of a flat brush. I think this is an e.l.f. brush. Well, actually I'm gonna go in with Plant. It's darker. Kind of to do a crease up here. Kind of like yay. But anyways, yeah. 420 friendly, baby. That is gonna need to be blended out, looks like. But when you do an eye like this, I always feel like your eyes look like 10 times bigger. So, yeah. Yeah, because they look bigger now. But I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna use my color switch to switch a brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with that Leaf color now. We'll see. And just kind of blend out that dark green. I just want a green presence to be known, so I did that dark green. So what have y'all been up to? I'm going crazy in the house, but you know, when I do looks like this, sometimes I feel like I look drag queenish. But I'm gonna take Calm and put it on the brow bone, like right up in here. Yeah, she's getting it. Okay, and I think for the center, I'm gonna put more of that cool color on. Just right in here. I feel like this eyeliner is cracking a little bit, but who the hell is gonna get that close to my face? If you get that close to my face, you better back the fuck up. So I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna clean it off on the color switch. And I'm gonna kind of just blend everything. It does not look blended right here. Sometimes you just gotta use your hands, you know? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and put some of this Epic Wear NYX waterproof in white, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I put a little marijuana leaf right there. Isn't it cute? Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, so that's what I did off camera. I probably could have did it on camera, but yeah. So our next step would be blush. We're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. That would go along with some 420 shenanigans. I don't know about this. I feel like it doesn't show up on my skin. Am I crazy? Or am I crazy? I possibly could be crazy because I have been called that before, so. But that's not very polite of people to call me that. Very not polite. Okay, I don't know, in real life I can kind of see it, but I do like that blush, but I just feel like it's not enough. It's not enough. So, highlighter. Oh, I don't know what I want to use. I think I'm going to use this again, the Huda 3D palette. And when I did shop my stash, it really did. I have really been using the stuff that I've shopped in my stash, so I'm very happy about that. I just color switch all the time. I think I'm gonna try the pink Zanzibar. I think I've used it before. It's kind of blushy. Kind of blushy. Okay, and for a lipstick, I'm just gonna go in with some sort of nude situation, which I really love the Power Puff by NYX, so I might get more of these. So let's put a little bit of this on it. Appeal. And I think that's all she wrote, but let's spray our face with a little bit of Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. So anyways, I hope you like this look. I think it's pretty cute. And so happy 420. Sit back, relax, and smoke a little bit if you can. But here's a final look. Make sure you go down and in the description box and follow all my social media. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Bye.